To adjust notification sound volume for eSIM, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find notification, sound and notification, next tap sounds and notifications, and then tap notification sound, select eSIM, and then on notification sound volume, drag adjustment bar to the right or to the left to adjust notification sound volume for eSIM. Okay, drag on the left to decrease or drag the right to increase. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.